Guys, check out this foam machine that was gifted to me. This thing is so sick. We've been playing around with it in the front yard, got it all set up, and we're blowing out all kinds of foam. It's pretty impressive how fast you can get this out of the box and creating foam. It's very, very easy to do. I'm gonna go ahead and go over everything. So let's go ahead and go over this part right here. So we got two pieces here. We have the tripod, and then we have the blower, and then this is attached by a screw there, which is gonna be similar to like all your tripod style mounts, and it just screws on like that, and it's got a security pin that can fit in there. And here are our functions here on the back. We have our dial, so we can dial in. We have on, off, and then we can dial in how much foam we want right there very, very easily. And then here are our connections, and I'll grab those two as well, and we're not using it. It has a little dust boot cover that snaps in there, and then this is going to be our water inlet. So let me go ahead and grab that stuff. I have the box right here with all of our stuff. So this is our power cord here, and it's just your regular standard outlet. And this is a two-piece power cord. This does detach if you needed to for easy storage. It pops right back in. And then this side right here, and again, it's a really good length too. So depending on where it is that you're using it, you might not even need an extension cord, which is pretty cool that they give you that amount of length. But this is the part right here that's going to attach into the blower. Right here, we'll pull our little dust boot down, and then it just slides right in just like that. And then the other connection is going to be our pump. So here is our pump right here, and on the bottom it does have little suction cups. So when you put it in a large basin of water, you can just suction cup it to the bottom. You don't have to worry about it moving around. And then this is the only part that you're going to need to attach. Here is the hose, and it comes with all of this to attach it to the pump, and then your little hose clamp here. So just take that, stick it down into the water basin, and then you're going to run both of these lines up to the blower. And then we have what is going to be our power cord basically for the pump is going to plug in here just like that. And then we have our water hose inlet that is a quick disconnect, which is really nice because it just makes it easier to set up. Make sure that that is lined up with the little ball there so you can pull it all the way down. See that? Goes all the way down. I'm going to take that, pull it all the way down over that little hole, and then it's just going to slide on like that, real easy. And then make sure you push it forward. It's going to want to push itself all the way forward. Make sure it is pushed all the way forward and locked on, and then there you go. That is it. You're all set up. All you need to do is mix up your soap, which is also available to purchase. So make sure you grab that because this does not come with soap. So you're going to want to make sure that you do purchase some of the soap. Mix it up, and I definitely recommend getting a larger tub, something that's like 20 gallons or more to mix it up because it does suck through it pretty fast. If you're using something small like a 5-gallon, you're going to be surprised how fast it goes through it. You're constantly going to be refilling it. So get something minimum of 20 gallons to mix the soap up. And then too, with the foam, you also have this option as well. This is removable. You can see our little lock icons here. So if you want to shoot the foam out, it does have this attachment that's able to launch the soap further. But if you want to maximize the amount of soap, you can take this off, and then it's just going to generate soap right here, and it's going to kind of fall down more. So you're going to get more foam out of it. If you want to lock it or launch it, you can put this on and actually shoot it out in your direction, and then you can adjust it here wherever the direction is that you want it to go. So definitely a lot of fun. Like I said, we had it out the other day launching a bunch of foam out. Everybody had an absolute blast. We even had cars driving by honking their horns and giving us thumbs up. Super, super cool. So if you guys are looking for some summer fun, I would definitely recommend picking one of these up.